Hey guys, today's lesson we are going to introduce SpiderPi 16, the distribution of software. We are going to introduce two parts. The first part is 16 instruction, the second part is program instruction. Now, let's look at the distribution of 16 desktop. After remote connection via VNC, you can see this is the 16 desktop. We can see the left-hand corner. The SpiderPi robot icon is SpiderPi PC software, which includes action programming, deviation adjustment, servo control, servo debugging, and camera debugging. The taught operation method can refer to corresponding lessons. This one is servo debugging tool. SpiderPi has been debugged before selling. Therefore, this tool will be used rarely. This one is color module parameter adjustment tool. When playing AI vision games such as color recognition, we will use lab tool software to expand further development. In addition to this function, it can also be used to track the connection status of the camera. Now, I will introduce to the tool of starting VNC. Here is the XL terminal. We can click it to enter XL terminal or press shortcut key to enter XL terminal. XL terminal is used to input instructions to operate. If you don't know about it, I will teach you how to do it. This is File Manager. File Manager is a visual file directory interface. It is recommended for beginners who are not familiar with the command line to find the path of the program. Now, enter the SL terminal. Enter ls command, and then press enter to list all the documents. Here, I will mainly introduce three files. The first one is SpiderPi. It stores all the games and related program source code. The second file is used to save SpiderPi PC software source code. The third file is Wi-Fi management tool concerning the direct connection mode, LAN mode, frequency band modification, etc. The last two files are used to expansion development. For AI vision games, you only need to check the folder SpiderPi and the command to open all the games and program source code. In the SpiderPi, enter ls command, look at functions, which is the directory where the AI vision game program is located. If you want to start the games, you need to call the files to start the game. Haiwan SDK is underlying file path, which is used for hardware control. The action groups is used to save action group file. Then, enter command and ls instruction in turn again. We can see there are many files ending in py. For example, colortrack.py is color tracking. AppleTag.py is tag recognition. Let's take a look at the corresponding games of the program. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please keep watching the following video. We will introduce all the AI vision games. Thank you.